Yeah, so we're parked up outside an electrical store because we have come abroad without a mobile Wi-Fi unit and immediately used up all our allowances, so we figured let's go and get one and get a data roaming chip or something to work. So we're not far from Rennes. Wonderful drive. I tell you, driving on the French roads is just a dream because there's so little traffic, and it changes how everybody else drives because there's so little traffic. Nobody's trying to undercut, overcut, do whatever they have to do to get an advantage. Yeah, so the driving in France is wonderful. The motorways, there's not hardly any traffic. Because of that, everybody drives way more patient, and when it comes to overtaking, you're not getting hammered by lorries all the time. So when I've been driving the M25 for the past 5 months, the difference is just night and day. The only thing I would say about the roads is that they're all pretty unprotected from the wind, so you're often getting buffeted by wind and that, but it's a small price to pay considering just the pleasure of the driving alone. So yeah, driving wise, really good. And Tash has picked up a Wi-Fi data roaming gadget, so she's now off to a store to pick up a data sim, so we should be all back and connected again, which is good. It's amazing how much you miss the internet when you don't have it. And there's Samachu puffing away. You having a good time, Sam? Did a big long walk yesterday, didn't you, to Mont Saint Michel? 10 kilometers, nearly broke you. Yeah, so far the adventure's good fun. We're enjoying it. What are you looking at, Moo Moo? There's lots of things to see. We've succumbed to what is the pleasure of a McDonald's. Middle of France, and we're eating McDonald's. Still, tomorrow we're off to Lices market. I managed to get Sam out of his pit early to go to Lices market. But the buses just confirmed they don't take dogs. So Tash has got on the bus, which takes about 40 minutes. And I've got a 3.8 kilometer walk to the market. So it's about an hour tops. It depends on how often Sammy stops to sniff, which is fine. So yeah, just heading there now. It's nice and cool, so will be no problem. Avenue de Gales. Looking good. And Sam taking it in stride. We walked 4 kilometers each way to Lices market today, and look what it's done to poor Sammy. Tartiflette, Alicia, and now it's cooked. So we've done a tally of week one's cost. Now, £1,300 is quite high, but week one we've included the Euro tunnel, which is about 400 quid. A Wi-Fi stick. Quickly realised that we were not going to have any Wi-Fi data, so that's a one-off cost. And then there's Sammy in there for about £230, which is his rabies shot, his health certificate, and a flea collar to protect him from sand fleas. So that's about 750 quid one-off costs at the beginning. So what we've actually spent is about 600 quid for the week, which you can see is a little bit mainly on food, half of it on food. We've eaten out a couple of times, so that soon adds up. But then 150 on fuel, 50 on tolls, and then £100 on camping. So there's week one cost. Be interesting to see how the cost develops over the next few weeks as we continue the journey.